Hey all, so just looking at a little bit of trading, I just wanted to go through the US 30, which is the Wall Street 30, and no one knows what the market's going to do. Let's put it that way. Fact is, at the moment, it could be volatile, could stop trending up, it could trend and reverse and start coming back down. Who knows, right? Honestly, you can't guarantee anything. Myself, I'm not a market maker, so I can't tell you what others are thinking. However, what I can tell you, and we'll go look at it now, when you start to look at the US 30, and this is Awanda's broker platform because I'm in the UK, but when you go to look at the US 30, and if we kind of come out, we look at the day view, and we see the positioning, we can see that we've had some really kind of good resistances kicking here, and then we've dropped. Now, if we look at the same kind of areas of resistance following here, from a trend line perspective, simply, we kind of got an target aim here. However, we have seen off the back of some earning reports kind of giving a little bit of negative confidence, we've kind of just seen a drop now. And market structure wise, we've seen kind of three growths, and ideally we want to see by Friday, October the 25th, we want to see ourselves around here. And this is just to see a continuing of market structure. Is it guaranteed? No, it's not. And ideally, I kind of want to see the US 30 hit this area here so that we can see that it's hit in continuation a very strong resistance, and off the back of that we should then be able to start to see whether the market is going to send a trend reversal, or in fact if it's going to continue and breaking up past here is euphoric. It's a lot of things. It would have to mean that companies are not companies alone, but like the Fed is supporting by printing money, for instance, and lowering interest rates and really giving earnings boosts to companies. However, we are in a period right now where we should see a little bit of reversal. How much reversal? Who knows? Well, we can use fibs, and just doing a quick dive into fibs, taking this current positioning as our top, we should hopefully see ourselves come back down to kind of by November the 24th, reasonably about 41,350. Now, I'm saying that off the back of the technical analysis, with no interpretation of data that's been released, that's what the market structure would show me and suggest to me. That doesn't mean that's correct. It doesn't mean that's what it's going to do. It simply means that with no other influence, just looking at the structure and how the chart is actually printing and looking at normal reversal points, that's what you'd kind of expect to see. Now, put in the mix the fact that we've got an election, the fact that you've got the Fed's decisioning, you've got the jobs report that previously came out going to be revised, potentially be revised. And again, it's like putting all these things into play. They will have a different effect on the market. It could speed up that action if they are of negative consequence. It could in fact reverse the trend and send it back up. But that's where I'm seeing a good opportunity to be able to run the market structure as long as all the catalysts kind of kick in place. Again, not financial advice, just what I'm seeing. Hope it helps. Again, like, comment and subscribe. Until the next one. Cheers.